Hey guys, welcome back sa aking channel. So in this video, we're going to learn the delete query for SQL for beginners. Welcome to part 6. Okay, so okay, so last video, we were able to learn yung ating update query, no? So yung update query, nag-update siya ng data. Depends on those parameters na sineset natin kung ano yung gusto natin i-update. So, ngayon, si delete, ang functionality naman niya is to delete yung ating mga data, no? So, it's similar logic on the update. Meron siyang where condition na pwede mong gamitin kung ano yung gusto mong i-delete dun sa isang table, no? So, let's start na tingnan muna kung ano yung laman ng table natin. BBO.pizza. Select asterisk from BBO pizza. So, as you can see here, we have two data, 2 and 3, no? So, naglalagay lang ako ng isa pa. Insert into pizza, BBO pizza values. So, title, kunyari, let's say, what do you call this? Pizza, all meat for cheese, let's say, bacon and cheese. The price is, let's say, 400. And then it's, let's say, yung category niya is cheesy. No? So let's try to insert this. So it's now inserted. Then query lang natin siya. So as you can see, nadagdag yung bacon and cheese. So ngayon, gusto ko siyang burahin. Delete from, so yung syntax para sa delete is delete from BBO.pizza where ito kahit anong condition pwede dito parang sa update query. So it depends on your condition kung ano yung gusto mong i-delete. Depends on your condition. So let's say sa ID where ID is equal to 102. So pwede yan. So pag sinelect mo yan, mabubura yung 102. But ang best practice dito is before you delete something, you just have to select it first. So where, patry lang natin siyang i-select para alam natin kung ano yung nabubura, no? Where ID is equal to 102. So pag sinelect mo yan, so pag lumabas yung bacon and cheese, so tama yung where natin. So normally ganito yung ginagawa ko para safe. Kinakopy ko yung sinelect ko. And then pinipaste ko dito. Okay? Para lang sure tayo kung ano yung mabubura nating data. Kasi once we already deleted the data, hindi na siya mababalik. So be careful on that. So since tama na yung ID, ang gusto natin burahin is bacon and cheese. Kapag nirun natin yung query na to, burado na siya. So pag binura mo ulit, okay, so wala siyang nabura kasi nga, burado na. Okay? Then, let's try to comment ko lang to para makita nyo and run this code. So as you can see here, wala na si bacon and cheese. Alright, so yun lang for this video. And thanks for watching.